Hey guys, Kenny here and welcome back. As you can tell from the title, today's video is all about my favorite multi-use cream products. I have been getting a lot of questions na gumawa ng ganitong klaseng video, kaya naman eto na po. Finally, mai-share ko na sa inyo yung mga favorite kong cream blushes. So if you guys want to see the swatches and why I love them, just keep on watching. First on my list is the Detail Cosmetics X Maylayog and Ray Hermar Velvet Flush. Packaging of this one, as you can see, is very millennial and aesthetically pleasing. In front, nakalagay yung product name. Super simple ng font. I love it kasi mabilis mabasa. Of course, at the back, nakalagay lahat ng important details like yung shade name, kung saan siyang pwedeng gamitin or yung purpose niya, amount of product, period after opening, etc. This comes in 6 colors and I have 4 of them. This is Bow, this is Cotton, this is Milky, and this is Lucas. Bow is a deep cherry brown shade. Cotton is what they call the perfect pinkish nude. Milky is a milky medium rose color. And Lucas is a warm almond brown shade. Formula of this one is really nice. Unique actually because it looks like a cushion, and once you press it using your finger, lumulubog siya. As for texture, this one is actually very creamy and lightweight. Finish-wise, it is very velvety and soft. Hindi siya completely matte, kaya it doesn't look dry nor lifeless once applied onto the skin. Aside from that, ang isa pang nagustuhan ko dito is that hindi siya mabilis mag-set and it looks good even on top of already powdered base. Another favorite of mine is from Squad Cosmetics, and that is the Happy Pot Multi-Purpose Pot. This one is less than 100 pesos, by the way, if I'm not mistaken. Packaging, to be honest, is not the best, but okay na din considering its price. But I love the lid kasi diba acrylic siya, it's clear, kaya kitang-kita what's inside. And of course, at the back, lahat ng mga importanteng details nakasulat. Kung teens pa lang kayo or kaya naman baguhan sa makeup, eto yung isa sa mga products na maire-recommend kong i-add nyo sa inyong kit kasi panigurado guys, magagamit nyo talaga siya. As you can see, I own 4 out of 8 shades that they have, and that is Campus Crush, Cheerleader, Muse, and Prom Queen. Campus Crush is a bright tomato shade. Cheerleader is a beautiful coral. Muse is the perfect everyday old rose shade. And lastly, we have Prom Queen, which is almost like a brick shade. Pigmentation of this product is really amazing because you don't need a lot. You literally just need to swirl your finger once and that's it. You'll get the amount you need na para mag-add ng color sa isang cheek. Texture and consistency of this one is actually very creamy, almost like silicone, kaya it's easy to work with. It doesn't set quick too, which I love. That's why you'll have enough time to blend. Hindi nyo kailangan magmadali kapag ito yung gamit nyo. And this one as well, same with Velvet Flush. It looks so good, even on top of powder. So yeah, overall, this one, for the amount of product you are getting and quality, definitely a bang for your buck. Also included sa aking list is from EB Advance, and that is the Power Paint Multi-Use Cream. This one, as you can see, unlike other products featured sa video natin today, comes in a squeezy tube. And I actually love it kasi diba, very hygienic siya, and also it prevents the product inside from drying fast. Front of the packaging looks like this. As you can see, nakalagay lang yung shade name and yung branding and logo. And of course, sa likod ng tube, nakalagay lahat ng mga info and details about it. But I'm not gonna lie, I wish na sana they tweak the packaging a little bit because diba, sobrang similar niya sa Glossier Cloud Paint. Ayun lang naman yung concern ko about the packaging. Masyado siyang close or similar sa Glossier Cloud Paint. Chiffon is a dusty pink shade, perfect for fair to medium skin. And Sangria is a muted sienna red, perfect for any skin tone. And true to its claim, literal, power talaga yung pigmentation na to guys. Pigmentation of this product is very intense, kaya you have to be careful. Especially if it's your first time using this. Magsimula na lang kayo sa konti, tapos kapag nakulangan kayo, tsaka na lang kayo mag-add pa. Pagdating naman sa formula nito, actually, this one is very rich. And also creamy, almost like mousse. And it sets into a smooth powder-light finish. I mean, look at that guys. Oh, konti lang yung nilagay ko, but I have a lot pa and pwede ko pa siyang i-spread. For me, siguro the only downside about this product is that mabilis siyang mag-set, kaya you really have to work fast. And also, I forgot to mention that this one can be a little bit drying sa lips, kaya if ever nagagamitin nyo siya sa lips, I highly recommend na mag-lip prep kayo prior to applying para sigurado talagang smooth and maganda yung finish niya. Para hindi siya patchy and also mag-settle sa mga dry areas ng lips nyo. Next up is from a fairly new but amazing local brand, Issy & Co, and that is their cream blush. And I absolutely love the packaging of this product. Kasi diba, it's very modern, timeless, and direct to the point. Even when stacked all together, diba, you can easily see what color is inside. Kasi even yung edges or yung sides niya, see-through din. Definitely one of my favorites pagdating sa branding ang Issy & Co. As in, sobrang on point. And look at that, even yung bottom part, transparent siya. Sobrang bet na bet ko how simplistic and clean the packaging looks like. Total of shades I own is 6, and that is Brunette, Fever, Femme Rose, Good Girl, Malibu, and Tutu. Brunette is a warm biscuit shade. Femme Rose is a subtle peachy pink shade. Fever is a soft peachy coral shade. Good Girl is a timeless soft pink color. Malibu is a sun-kissed hot coral shade. And finally, we have Tutu, which is a shimmering gilded rose. Formula and texture of this product from Issy & Co. is very blendable and creamy. Tapos, once you swirl your fingers sa pinaka-pan, it feels very velvety to the touch, as in ang soft niya. In terms of pigmentation, this one has a buildable color which is actually great, especially for beginners kasi diba hindi siya nakakatakot gamitin kahit mapadami yung lagay mo. Finish is very lovely too. It has a powdery finish. Actually parang velvety yung finish niya and it doesn't look dry on the skin. Kahit mag-set siya, and look at that diba, sobrang natural lang. And guess what guys? This one also contains SPF 15. Kaya kapag ginagamit nyo siya, protected din yung skin nyo from sun damage. Final cream blush sa aking list is from BLK, and that is the Creamy All Over Paint. Packaging, as you can see, is super cute. Sobrang pleasing and sarap sa mata ng graphics sa pinaka-cap or takip niya. And I also love the fact na translucent yung pinaka-tube para you can easily see, diba? Or may idea kayo kung anong shade yung nasa loob. The applicator is amazing as well kasi diba, it's chubby. Para siyang thumb, kaya perfect na pang dot, especially sa cheeks. They have total of 10 shades sa Creamy All Over Paint, and I own 5. One is from their Fresh collection and the rest are from their Sun-Kissed collection. This one is feeling peachy and it is a juicy peach shade. Golden Hour is also a peach shade but with a hint of pink. Palm Springs is a beautiful rosy shade. Poolside is a burnt berry shade. And lastly, we have Summertime, which is a taffy brown shade. As you can see, consistency and texture of this one is on the light silky side, making it very seamless and easy to blend. And it feels very velvety to the touch as well. It's not streaky at all, as you can see, and it looks very seamless on the skin. I never experienced any problems as well dito kapag ina-apply ko siya even on top of foundation. But probably the factor din is because gumagamit ako ng brush. Hindi ko sure, but to be honest, with or without foundation naman, maganda talaga siya. Pigmentation-wise, it is really good and impressive. Whenever I use this product sa aking cheeks, dalawang dots lang on both sides and visible na yung kulay niya. Finish of this one looks fantastic. Para siyang second skin. And I think one of the main reasons kung bakit para siyang second skin or nagme-melt sa skin is because of its thin consistency. Anyway guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope na nag-enjoy kayo, and of course, if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe, and I hope to see all of you again on my next one.